In a sunlit studio, a cheerful host prepares a dramatic makeup transformation that begins with a playful grumble. The before shot shows a plain face as the crew whispers tips. Then a rogue sneeze scatters powder everywhere. A mascara wand misfires, turning the winged liner into a comic glitter sculpture and sparking genuine laughter. Lip gloss arrives with a shine that suddenly shifts into a pink panda blush moment, prompting playful reset spins. The final reveal lands as a radiant, confident look, while the audience roars and the host takes a bow.